gray, purple or green. Roll them in a bowl, they're fun and clean. H is for honeydew, juicy and cold. Cut it in slices, a treat to hold. I is for in, fig, spiky and bold. Cactus root stories from deserts told. J is for jackfruit, heavy and wide, full of yellow pods hiding inside. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and brown. Cut it in half, it wins the crown. L is for lemon, sour and bright. Add it to water for a zesty delight. M is for mango, golden and smooth. Blend it in shakes, a tropical groove. N is for nectarine, smooth and sweet. Juicy and soft, it's summer's treat. O is for orange, juicy and round. Roll it and peel, fun to be found. P is for pineapple with a crown so high. Spiky outside, golden pie. R is for raspberry, tiny and red, like little pillows on a fruity bed. S is for strawberry, heart-shaped and red. Dip it in chocolate